Hi team, I am Jagannath. Today I will be walking you through my architectural redesign of Puffy Lux product page. The core objective here was not just to elevate the premium feel, it was to build a frictionless, high converting React state machine that completely eliminates user decision fatigue. Let me show you how the architecture works. First, we upgraded the typography stack to Libre for heritage luxury paired with Inter for clear transactional data. Notice the pricing strategy on top header. While our marketing hook on the left anchors to the accessible 749 price, the default selected product on the right side is queen size at 1399. Why? Queen is the industry standard for adults. By setting 1399 as the cognitive anchor, we win on two fronts. If they downgrade to a twin, they get a massive dopamine hit of saving $650. If they upgrade to a king, it feels like a minimal $200 bump rather than a massive leap from our 749 base price. This is pure conversion rate psychology. As the user scrolls, watch the header compresses into a thin action bar to preserve critical viewing space. And the right hand cluster is not static. The variant name queen, the discounted price and the original strike through price are fully dynamic variables hooked directly into the cart state. Wherever the user configures their bet on the page, the sticky header acts as their real-time persistent checkout receipt. Before we scroll into the configuration zone, it's important to understand that I architected this page to support 4 distinct buying paths, capturing every level of user intent. First one is the direct buy. By using a persistent sticky header on top, they can at any point of time user can buy the selected thing. The second one is AI select and buy. It's basically our AI provides them a group of questions to select from, and based on user answer, our AI will suggest them the right mattress to buy. The third one is the AI chat and buy. It's basically a open text for complex sleep needs. And finally, the manual config, our traditional scrolling e-commerce lane. To support all of these gracefully, the global page utilizes an asymmetric CSS grid. The product imagery stays sticky on the left to maintain visual desire, while the right side acts as our scrolling configuration engine. Let's look at our AI engine. I didn't just design the happy path. I mapped out the entire permutation tree for these buying processes. Notice how the user is not locked into a rigid funnel. At any point during the guided select and buy pill flow, they can seamlessly transition into an open chat and buy experience by simply clicking on a button. In this way, user controls the conversation. If they use this text field for a complex request, like a couple with completely conflicting sleep styles, the AI intelligently triggers our split king configuration card if the user has such needs. But what happens when a user tries to break the system? If they type something entirely out of bounds, like write me a poem to sleep or anything, our backend intent parser catches it. Instead of throwing a frustrating generic error, Anita gracefully pivots. She gently reminds them that she specializes in luxury sleep comfort, and the UI instantly remounts the primary selection pills flow below her message. In this way, we are pulling the user frictionlessly right back into our happy path. And for vague edge cases like a user typing my lower back hurts, I designed a slot filling fallback. The LLM flags the missing data, gracefully asks for their sleep position, and filters the UI to force a definitive choice. The moment they complete their journey, the payload drops an add to cart micro product card right into the chart stream. We give the user total control. We handle every out of bounds error gracefully, and we never lose on sale. To ensure a seamless development handoff, this entire Figma file is heavily annotated. I have mapped the HTML semantic tags, the CSS flex properties, the LLM out-of-bound guardrails, and API timeout fallbacks. I approach product design by understanding the code, the logic, and the user. My goal is to engineer high-converting missile-proof systems that the development teams can actually build and scale. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to discussing how we can push Puffy's conversion rates to the next level. Thank you.